Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a whole chicken with some potatoes and carrots in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. This is going to be pretty simple. I have a 4.99 pound organic whole chicken here. This was $2.49 a pound, so this chicken was $12.43. So let me get that rinsed off. I'm also going to wash those potatoes and cut those up into smaller pieces. A 2-pound bag of baby carrots, I'll just dump them in just like that. And I'm just going to season this with some salt, Johnny's seasoned pepper, and onion powder. My chicken is washed. I seasoned it inside now with kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper. Now let's get everything into the pot. That's 2 cups of water. 1 cup is already in there. I'm going to dump the whole bag of carrots in there. So that's 2 pounds of baby carrots. And this is 4 russet potatoes. Cut them into, chunks about like that. And now we'll season that a little bit with some kosher salt. I'm just kind of doing this to taste. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use that one a lot. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. So that makes a pretty good seasoning. Might have to add some more at the end. We'll just add that much for now. And also some onion powder. I guess we'll call that about, I don't know, sprinkle some in, maybe a tablespoon or so. I like onion powder. And we'll just get the chicken right on top there. I managed to fit the lid on there. Now I'm going to cook this on high. And I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It has been 5.5 hours, so let's take a look at this. Slow cooker food is usually not that pretty to look at. The skin doesn't brown much, but it should be pretty tender. You can see the bones pulling right out of that leg. Anyway, let me grab a bowl and we'll try some of this out. I only added 2 cups of water to this, and you can see how much liquid this made on its own. You could actually use chicken broth instead of water if you wanted to for this as well. Anyway, we'll grab some of those veggies there, and you can see the chicken, it's just falling apart, so we'll get a little bit of that in there as well. Put a little bit of green onion on top just for a little more color and flavor as well. You can see how nice and tender that chicken is. Looks like the carrots and potatoes are tender too, so let's try a bite. That turned out really good. I really like the taste of those organic chickens. I just don't buy them that often because they're pretty expensive. I guess we better see what Annie, taste test dog, thinks. See if she'll eat a carrot first. If she eats her carrot, then she can have her chicken after. All right, you ate your veggies. Good girl. Now you can have a piece of chicken. I guess it's Annie approved. So that cooked for about 5.5 hours on high. So if you do it on low, just all day, probably 8 hours or so. I'll put everything I used in the description, all the ingredients. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.